one more time if it's alright with Chris.
There goes Sam through the rain.
Sam. Puddles. Puddles. Jump in all the puddles. Good jumping. Splash. 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 Okay, Sam, get right next to him. Jump over the stick. Whoa,
Good job.
Good job.
Here's the wind.
Up. Oh, slow down. Okay, look. Yep, there's the
Good
sun.
boy. Good remembering.
The sun. Look down so you don't. Now walk down the mountain. Sam, sit. Yes.
Sun's still there.
Careful. Back to on your circle. Okay, ready? Have to get your balance. Take it. One snowball. Whoa, Nelly. Good job, guys. Okay, so you gotta squat down and help. Try, get another one. We're watching Sam, guys. We'll watch. Emma, not yet. We're watching Sam. 1 foot. 2 feet. There you go. Toss it in there, Sam. With the bucket. Toss it in. Bucket here, you guys. Try to get another one. Nice squatting. Nice try. Throw that snowball right in the bucket. Almost. Throw it in there. Yay!
Good job.